see the crying for my head, I hope say no be better when you carry. Mommy,
Nice one. That's my boy Camidoh. One of my favorite videos, and I'm not just saying this, you know. Shout out to my brother, of course, in the studio with us. Now, I just got a message on my phone. Very random person said they miss me, and oh no, I miss you too. Yeah. As to who it is, I'm not going to say. But stay interactive with myself, with Camidoh, MzDru, and DJ Varosky. The whole team is here today. And we've got loads of packages, loads of surprises, and we're here to surprise our guests too. Now, Camidoh doesn't know we're going to do this, but MzDru, tell him what we're going to do next.
So now it is one of my favorite parts of the whole show. I mean, the whole show is my favorite, but this is my favorite part. We give our celebrity guests the opportunity to see how well do they know their fellow colleagues. So on the screen, we're going to put up a picture. As you can see, their face has been covered. Now, Camidoh, who is this colleague of yours?
If I mention a name, do I win money?
I will let you know what your prize is afterwards.
All right, cool. That's Kitty.
Oh, that was too easy.
I thought that was DJ Varosky. Because that's like DJ Varosky.
I have a better body than this.
Same skin. And DJ was cute.
Nice one. That's the
All right, don't worry.
I'm a fan of his
It got
music,
easy.
man.
It's about to get harder. It's about to get harder. So let's get the next one. Camidoh, who is this?
Who in Ghana wears 4 watches? Shatawale.
I think this was very easy.
Do your best.
Yeah, bro.
This one was way
very
too
easy.
easy. Way too easy.
Right,
do your
cool.
best Shatawale impression.
I go slap you.
He's got the hand sign and everything.
Big
All
shouts, Shatta.
Let's go. All right, then. No, come on. This is way too easy, man. Who did this? This is way too easy. Go on. Who's this?
That's Efo Eche, Stone Boy. That's Stone Boy. Yeah.
Bim. Let's see.
Take it out.
Come on. Aww.
Okay, next one.
So if I can get my lovely assistant to pass us the bowl for charades.
Charade.
Go on, Jason. Okay, cool.
Okay, so what we doing?
So now in this beautiful bowl is an act.
Okay.
You have to act it out and we have to guess. So it's going to be Team Varosky, Team Drew, Team Jason. Now,
right.
Team Drew, I know you guys got me. I'm so good at these games, okay? I'm so good at these games. Now, it's up to you to make sure your acting game is on point. All right? So, maybe we get prizes.
All right,
cool. So first one.
Okay, cool.
I mean, I am going to win, though. Let me just say this. Varosky, I respect you. I love you.
No.
But yeah, I mean.
Are you ready?
Yeah, move back so that Varosky can see you.
I can see.
Can you see?
You can see?
All right, cool.
Okay, cool. Let's go.
So,
Ironing.
Pure water.
I can see this. What?
Cooking.
Folding.
Iron.
I said that.
No, he said ironing. Folding.
Laundry.
Cleaning.
Washing.
Laundry.
Tidying.
Driving. Hanging. Laundry. Moving.
Laundry guy.
What is no?
Don't you know what I'm doing?
A serious laundry guy.
Professional.
Keep going. Give us a different clue. No, this cannot be the only thing you're doing.
He's
folding, ironing,
Handkerchief.
pressing.
watch it.
Handkerchief.
I'm confused,
Shirt.
man.
No.
Traveling.
Painting.
Yo.
if I mention
Cement.
Nah.
bro, we'll
Give
be
us
here
a
all
clue.
day. Ironing clothes.
Hey.
Ironing clothes.
Goodness.
Yeah, it says ironing clothes.
Oh
so we don't
my.
just iron, we iron clothes.
Oh my! I'm done. I'm
Yeah.
done. You're taking the game too seriously.
Yeah.
Let's go next one.
Yeah.
All right, I'll do this. Now I know how they're going.
Okay, cool. You ready?
Yeah.
You ready, bro? All right.
Lipstick, makeup.
Putting on lipstick.
on
I said lipstick, bro. I said lipstick first. I said
You said lipstick, and I said, yeah, it's lipstick. She got it. You said it.
I said
first.
putting
Yeah,
on lipstick.
yeah.
It is
Now,
putting
now
on
the thing
lipstick.
is, it's lipstick. But you said lipstick first, and then you were trying to say putting on
Yes.
lipstick.
Who
but-
said lipstick?
I said it first,
Yeah, she
and then I
said it
had
first.
to be
I said it
smart because of the way they
I
tried
think
to
I
do
said
it.
it.
Last one.
Camidoh, we go way back, man.
Don't even try it. Don't even try that. So far, it's 1 point to Drew.
DJ Varosky, you have to win this one. Yeah.
Ish,
This
ish.
guy doesn't like me.
Oh,
Don't cheat.
man.
Don't cheat.
Okay, cool.
Put it on
Face
a face
mask.
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 Face
Put
mask.
it on a face mask.
Take it easy. Take it
Face
easy.
mask.
Applying your
Watch,
face
watch,
mask.
watch,
Yes.
watch,
Your nose mask.
watch.
Nose mask.
Telling
Face-
somebody to
face
put on their
shield.
face mask.
Put on your face mask. That's like
Put
a
on
face
face mask.
shield.
It's like you got it. You know?
Yeah. I got it right.
Eh?
Yeah.
What do you
Wear
mean?
your mask.
Yeah, put on your face
Yeah,
mask.
yeah.
No,
It
but
says that. Wear your
My
mask.
problem is who wrote this?
Who actually did this?
The directors, I'm coming to beat you.
No, wait. I'm gonna give you one more.
The last
Let's
one,
go.
yeah,
One more,
because
one
I need
more.
to win.
Okay.
That's
I
it.
want
Yeah.
DJ Virusky to win.
But getting sentences is difficult, right?
Oh man.
Boxing.
Boxing,
Beat
fighting.
you up. I'll beat you up. I'm a boxer.
Boxer.
You know, I'll fight you.
You guys
I'll
are
take
too
you down.
aggressive.
I will kill
Hey,
you.
karate,
I'll give you
karate.
chops.
I got
Like,
it.
I said Bruce Lee.
You said, but
Bruce Lee has karate.
I said karate. Good,
I don't
you.
She got it.
I don't go play the show.
I ain't playing this
Yeah,
game
that
again,
was
man.
fun though.
Oh,
think
thank you
that was
so
good.
much, Camidoh, man.
Nice one, nice
We
one,
appreciate
nice
you.
one.
Thank you so much for passing through.
Thank you guys for having me.
What do you
It
want to
was-
tell your fans, though? I mean, yeah, anything, bro. Anything.
I like to say to everybody to always ensure that they wear their mask when they're going out. Grab a sanitizer. Don't get in overcrowded areas. You know, Corona is still lurking around. And also go out there on all digital streaming platforms and check out CP by Camidoh. Stream it and support my craft. Peace and love, my people. Boom.
Peace and love. Shout out to the man.
All right. Yes, guys, so that is it for today's episode of MX Beats.
First
We've had
one.
so much fun. Our first one.
First one.
First of many. I go by the name of MzDru. I need to shout out to our stylist, Bubune, our director, Jojo, Silicon House Productions. You guys have been lit and we appreciate you. Without them,
Broski, you
there
want
would
to say
not be
anything?
no MX Beats.
Yeah, ladies.
Yeah, to the ladies. I mean, just the ladies. Follow me on social media.
Only
DJ
ladies.
Virusky, Instagram, Twitter, Facebook. When you DM me, I'll give you my number. You know.
Yeah, man. Shout out to all my fans, man. You guys wanted this and we brought it to you. So, yeah, again, first show. High five, high five, high five.
F5.
Camidoh, thank you so much for coming through, my
Peace
brother
and
right
love,
there.
man.
And yeah, we'll see you guys next week. But he's going to be leaving us with a performance, of course. Leaving with a bang.
Let's go.
Bye-bye.
I don't like what you're doing. You're always giving me excuses. I'm always taking care of the children. All you know is music, music. I hate you.
Camidoh on the beat.
Odoyewu, what be the matter? As you dey crying for my head, I dey hope say no be fella where you carry. Mami wo wo wo, unyemo. See I dey love you for a long, long time, and I never go to give up on the love. I go buy designer, yeah, yeah. Call you my Miss Malika, baby. Anything that you want, my baby, yeah. You know go suffer for this life again. Oh na na na. Ferrari for my lover, Gucci shoes for my lover, company for my lover, yeah yeah. You don't have me for my lover, Egusi for my lover.